Okay, first of all, that's epic.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video, back with another unboxing in the category of gaming. I know it's from Activision. I don't know what it is. I'm wearing the same shirt from the last video because birthday weekend. I know my birthday's Monday. This might come out Monday. I don't know when this comes out. I'm trying to do all my filming at once so I can kind of just sit back and do, I got things to do. Don't look at mine. I'm working on it. Okay. Dang. Okay. I hate when that happens. Hi. Okay. This might pop up a little bit. Okay, it'll stay there. Okay, here we go. It's still not revealing anything. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's Call of Duty. I'm gonna have to stand up. Like, okay, we're doing it live. We gotta stand. What did they send me? Like, okay, will you? Oh my god. Oh my god, it says mystery box. This is like when you use the bathroom and it go out real slow. You know what I'm talking about, and you're thinking it. Like it takes forever to come out and then finally plop. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, see, so you all were like, Lamarr, you don't talk about PS4 stuff. Well, guess you got PS4 today. Okay, first of all, that's epic. Mystery box edition. I have never seen a collector's edition be called a mystery box edition. It's almost like they've been watching my channel. I'm just saying. I'm gonna show you each side, and even the side I jacked up. So there you go. And you got a player. I want to make sure it's lined up right. That's how the box looks. And then on the top, there you. Oh my God. So and the bottom too. Look at that. Got a poster here from the Titanic Voyage of Despair. They have another one that it has that raised image. Like what's that laser effect they did with it? So I can actually feel the characters here. And I'll get a little close up here because there's a lot of detail. And there you go. And then the blood of the dead. Okay, I'm not sure what these references are. I guess that they're, and I haven't had a chance to really play the game. This is a Call of Duty Zombies. Oh, that's what the 10 years is about. Well, I mean, it is 10 years, but like, this is a puzzle, right? Okay, 1,000 pieces. Yeah, it looks awesome. 1,000 pieces. I am too old for that. Batteries. I'm gonna have to go get those now. I'm assuming the batteries are for this crazy. Oh, okay. It's not as heavy as I thought it was. What? What is that? And then this is okay. Well, that just spoiled was in there almost. I saw a little bit of it. I mean, I'm sure it's the game. But yeah. So this feels, I would say, more like PVC plastic. It's not metal, but it's not like cheap plastic. So there's a PVC rubberized feel to it. And so that's the composition of this. And then it kind of, the hands here kind of fold over a little bit to kind of hold it in place. I think that's really cool. And so let me show you the top. Oh, there is a space on the bottom for batteries. How about we take everything out? I will get the screwdriver because you need a screwdriver to get into those batteries, and then we'll fire this bad baby up to see what it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and just open it up. And that's how it looks. Wow. Oh, yeah, that is awesome. Okay, so that is the steel. Ouch! I just hit myself. That is the steel book. Excuse me. If I said steel series, sorry. And then so black. So the pass is in here with the code. Very good, because I need to get to work on the PS4 as well. I can't be ignoring my PS4 friends. So this is a official comic book for Call of Duty Zombies. And make sure you can see that. Very good, and that's how it looks on that side. You know me, right? I'm not the one that keeps stuff. Oh, you got to keep it for 20 years so I can retire off of a comic book. No, I don't do that. So here's just a quick preview. That's how it looks in the back, on the back, and stores now. And then there is a poster. I'm assuming this is a poster. See, this is why you open it, because I wouldn't have known this was in there. Just like the other posters. Let me get this out the way. Hold on. You can see this poster. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, then show you the second half. Cool. And it's the same as the comic. That's why they put it. Okay, I see you. What's up? Oh my God. That is cool. It's a Call of Duty pop socket. I don't know if you all know. I'm gonna make one for myself. If I ever do merch, I'm gonna make one because I'm a big user. Can you focus on this? Thank you. I'm a big user of pop sockets. I love that. Is cool. I might trade my right now. I got a generic black one. This one would be kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, and oh, see people who like collecting these. See, these are those like the Boy Scout patches that you get on your arm. That's what these are. And so you have all the different patches. I'm assuming you get these digitally in the game. But yeah, you can actually wear them on your sleeve. What is this? Fig pin. Some of the characters in the game. If you want to wear it, yeah, put this part in here and then stick it in because that's kind of sharp and you can't really see it. But yeah, that's the pin. Ooh, nice focus. Good job. And so yeah, and then this protects. That's kind of cool. Screw, 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 screw. So there's nothing in here. What's supposed to happen here? Oh shit! Okay. You didn't see that. No clips or anything, please. This is why I don't do live. Oh my god. What? Okay, this is the front. That's where the face is. Oh, it lights up. Dude, the eyes. Look, oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, what is this, Pandora's box? Activision, y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. This is sick. This box is freaking awesome. It didn't scare me. If I can find it online, like if it's on Amazon or somewhere, I can find it on Activision's website. And if it's still available to get, I will put the link below so that you can partake in this goodness. I appreciate being able to showcase this. My PS4 friends, you know who you are. Be ready to get blacked out by a black guy. I will see y'all later.